Alex here at FormNext 2019, and I wanted to also show you guys the X500 3D printing technology from German RepRap. It's a new and improved version of the X500 called the X500pro, and we've got sales manager from German RepRap here, Tamo, who's going to tell us all about the new technology, highlighting some of the new features.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. Welcome at FormNext 2019. Here we have the X500pro, so the upgraded version of our X500. Some pretty cool new features we have here. It's an auto-leveted printing bed. It's laser triangulated with two motors. We level the bed. Then the two extruder can be lifted up and down depending which material you are printing. Then the whole construction is more stable, and the heater for the chamber heating is not so noisy anymore.
We've also got a really wide range of materials that can be printed on this machine. So this part right here is a PEC A material, so super high temperature, super chemical resistance. These machines are top notch, as good as anything that we've seen here in Europe or anywhere in the world. We continue to really love the technology that the team at German RepRap is able to build here. I can show you some more examples here of some high temperature materials being printed. So it's that chamber heater inside the machine, as well as the super high temperature hot ends that allow you to print these super technical grade, engineering materials. So, keep tuned for the latest things that we can show you guys here from FormNext, from German RepRap. But we hope it gives you guys a little bit of a sneak peek into what can be done on these machines. I'm going to go ahead and just walk you around a little bit so you can see a couple other examples here. So those are polypropylene parts printed. Here's another 500. So that's printing that polypropylene there. Here we've got a bunch of folks in the booth. That particular machine happens to be printing a polycarbonate material in there. So whatever technical grade engineering materials you've got, the German RepRap machines are super well poised to be printing those materials. So thanks for listening, guys, and we hope to see you here in Frankfurt next year. Thanks.